This house is located in a gated community about 22 miles from Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is a newly developed area on formerly rural land that, due to its proximity to highways, has become a desirable place to live. With few neighboring houses and scarce vegetation, Pau House was designed without references from a consolidated neighborhood. Thus, its design was able to establish its own rules while awaiting the development of the surroundings, where this type of urbanization encourages the proliferation of isolated structures surrounded by gardens. A narrow opening provides access to a garden courtyard, the foundational core of the house, to which all rooms are oriented. The unique shape of the lot led to a courtyard house typology, where the floor plan replicates the lot's form while respecting the required setbacks. A floor that runs diagonally across the entire courtyard and extends into the swimming pool marks the entrance and defines two distinct zones. On one side are the common and service areas, and on the other are the bedrooms. The dining and living rooms take center stage, acting as a bridge between the entrance courtyard and the open backyard. Spaces requiring greater privacy are protected by adjustable wooden quebracho screens. This system not only regulates views, but also shields the large windows from the sun. The single-story layout ensures a close relationship between all indoor spaces and the outdoors. It includes a master bedroom with a spacious bathroom and walk-in closet, 2 bedrooms for the daughters with a shared bathroom, a social area with an integrated kitchen, and a laundry room connected to it. The courtyard provides vegetation and natural light to all the rooms. The side facades are shielded from neighboring views by a series of vertical concrete partitions, while at the back, all spaces open through large windows, protected by deep overhangs. Openings are not standardized elements with fixed dimensions and positions, but rather strategic perforations in the structure. In addition to naturally ventilating and illuminating the spaces, the openings in the structure also blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, frame the landscape, and filter the light.